The call of the wild Alaska's allure. Alaska, a land of vast wilderness and untamed beauty, beckons to a select few. These individuals seek a life far removed from the hustle and bustle of modern society. They are drawn to the solitude, the challenge, and the profound connection with nature that only such a remote and rugged environment can offer. The Alaskan wilderness presents an opportunity to live off the grid, to embrace self-sufficiency, and to discover a different rhythm of existence. The allure of Alaska lies in its vast, untouched landscapes, stretching across mountains, forests, and tundra. It's a place where one can truly escape the noise and distractions of civilization. The silence is broken only by the sounds of nature, the wind whispering through the trees, the rushing of a glacial river, the call of a wild bird. This pristine environment offers a chance to reconnect with the natural world on a deep and meaningful level. For those who choose this life, Alaska is not simply a location, it's a way of life. It's a test of resilience, a crucible where self-reliance is not just a philosophy but a necessity. It's a place where the rhythms of life are dictated by the seasons, the weather, and the availability of resources. The challenges are immense, but so are the rewards for those who persevere.
Daily life for those living off the grid in Alaska revolves around the fundamental tasks of survival. Each day brings a new set of challenges and opportunities dictated by the ever-changing conditions of the wilderness. From procuring food and water to maintaining shelter and warmth, every action is a testament to human adaptability and resilience. The day typically begins before sunrise, preparing for the tasks ahead. Gathering firewood is a constant necessity, crucial for both warmth and cooking. Maintaining a steady supply requires careful planning and physical exertion. Chopping wood, hauling it back to the dwelling, and stacking it for future use are integral parts of the daily routine. Water, another essential element, must be collected from nearby streams or melted from snow. Hunting and fishing are vital for sustenance. These activities require skill, patience, and a deep understanding of the local wildlife. Preparing traps, tracking animals, and fishing in icy rivers are demanding tasks that demand respect for the environment and its resources. Gardening, when the short growing season allows, supplements the diet with fresh produce.
Hunting in the Alaskan wilderness requires a profound understanding of animal behavior and tracking skills. Whether hunting large game like moose or caribou, or smaller animals like rabbits and squirrels, success depends on careful observation and a respect for the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Hunting is not merely a means of acquiring food, it's a connection to the ancient traditions of survival. Fishing, another crucial source of sustenance, requires patience and adaptability. Ice fishing during the winter months demands ingenuity and resilience. Casting lines in the frigid waters or setting nets requires skill and an intimate knowledge of the local fish populations. Respect for sustainable fishing practices ensures the continued availability of this vital resource. Foraging for edible plants and berries supplements the diet with essential vitamins and nutrients. Knowing which plants are safe to consume and where to find them requires careful study and attention to detail. Foraging connects these individuals to the land in a profound way, fostering a deep appreciation for the natural world.
Building and maintaining shelter is paramount in the harsh Alaskan climate. Whether it's a log cabin, a yurt, or a more rudimentary structure, the dwelling must provide protection from the elements. Insulation is crucial for surviving the long, frigid winters. Careful planning and construction are essential to create a safe and comfortable living space. Fire is the heart of the home, providing warmth, light, and a means of cooking. Maintaining a constant fire requires a steady supply of dry firewood and diligent attention. The crackling flames offer a sense of comfort and security in the face of the vast wilderness. The fire is not just a source of heat, it's a symbol of human resilience. Regular maintenance and repairs are essential to keep the shelter in good condition. Protecting the structure from the elements, repairing any damage, and ensuring proper ventilation are ongoing tasks. The ability to improvise and adapt is crucial for overcoming unexpected challenges.
The challenges of isolation. Facing the elements. Living off the grid in Alaska presents a unique set of challenges. The extreme weather conditions, from frigid winters to short, intense summers, demand constant vigilance and adaptability. Facing blizzards, freezing temperatures, and the ever-present threat of hypothermia requires mental and physical fortitude. Surviving in this environment is a testament to human resilience. The isolation can be both a blessing and a curse. While it offers peace and solitude, it also means being far removed from help in case of emergencies. Self-reliance is not just a preference, it's a necessity. Being prepared for any eventuality is crucial for survival. Wildlife encounters can be both awe-inspiring and dangerous. Bears, wolves, and other predators pose a constant threat. Knowing how to coexist with these animals and protect oneself requires respect and understanding of their behavior. Careful planning and preventative measures are essential for minimizing risks.
Ingenuity and adaptation. Thriving in harsh conditions. Resourcefulness and ingenuity are essential for thriving in the Alaskan wilderness. Making the most of limited resources, repairing equipment with whatever is available, and improvising solutions to unexpected problems are crucial skills. Creativity and adaptability are key to overcoming the challenges presented by this demanding environment. Learning to live in harmony with nature is paramount. Respecting the delicate balance of the ecosystem, understanding the rhythms of the seasons, and utilizing resources sustainably are essential for long-term survival. This intimate connection with the natural world fosters a deep appreciation for its power and fragility. Developing a strong sense of self-reliance is crucial. Being able to depend on oneself for all basic needs, from procuring food and water to maintaining shelter and warmth, is essential for survival. This self-sufficiency fosters a sense of empowerment and resilience.
Minimalist, living embracing simplicity. Living off the grid necessitates a minimalist approach to possessions. Only the most essential items are kept, reducing clutter and focusing on what truly matters. This simplified lifestyle promotes a sense of freedom and contentment, unburdened by the accumulation of material goods. The focus shifts from acquiring possessions to experiencing life. This minimalist lifestyle encourages resourcefulness and creativity. Making do with what is available, repurposing items, and finding innovative solutions to everyday challenges becomes second nature. This fosters a sense of self-sufficiency and independence. The absence of constant distractions allows for introspection and self-discovery. The quiet solitude provides an opportunity to connect with one's inner thoughts and feelings. This fosters a deeper understanding of oneself and the world around them. Connection to nature. Finding solace in the wild. Living in the Alaskan wilderness fosters a profound connection to nature. The daily rhythms of life are dictated by the seasons, the weather, and the availability of resources. This intimate relationship with the natural world fosters a deep appreciation for its power and beauty. Observing the changing seasons, the behavior of animals, and the subtle shifts in the environment cultivates a sense of awe and wonder. The vastness of the wilderness offers a sense of perspective. Surrounded by towering mountains, dense forests, and endless tundra, individual concerns seem to diminish in scale. This perspective can be both humbling and liberating. The solitude and tranquility of the wilderness provide a sanctuary for introspection and self-discovery. Away from the noise and distractions of civilization, one can connect with one's inner thoughts and feelings. This fosters a deeper understanding of oneself and the world around them. Occasional forays, interacting with the outside world. While these individuals primarily live in isolation, occasional trips to nearby towns are necessary for acquiring essential supplies that cannot be obtained in the wilderness. These trips are carefully planned and infrequent, minimizing contact with the outside world. They serve as a reminder of the stark contrast between their chosen lifestyle and the conveniences of modern society. These forays into civilization offer an opportunity to restock supplies, acquire necessary tools, and connect with other individuals. While these interactions are limited, they provide a vital link to the outside world. These trips also offer a chance to access information and communication, checking in with family and friends, staying updated.